office. Thank you.
Speaker wa mbunge ya Seneta Mason Kingi aretire giikaro kia mwanya kia mbunge ya Senate miaraho ya ruciu niguo kwamukira riboti ya kamiti ya mwanya iria irathurimaga kuhagurwo kwa gavana wa kaunti ya Meru niguo kumieririria na kumihitukia kana kumitianiria niguo kuruta mwerekero uria gucoka kurumirirwo kaunti ya Meru thutha wa itua riri.
Would you be comfortable, you as the senior most leader of Meru, if the decision of this committee is to agree with the impeachment and Meru County has to go to election 3 months after general election?
Not once have I invited them. We sit and have dialogue. I don't know, and I don't want to put it, but maybe there are some influences which I don't want to allege, that some people somewhere maybe have been sponsoring the MCs with some reasons best known to them.
Utuku wa ira Gavana Mwangaza ni areteteire kumana na mateta maria mamucogereirie kuhagurwo ni MCs a kaunti ya Meru ari hamwe na gukorwo andikire muthuri wa wira wa kaunti kwagira gitio MCs aria mathuritwo kaunti-ini iyo kuhuthira uru wabici yake hamwe na thitango ingi ciothe iria arakanire.
But from my side, I'm ready, and I have been doing so from the word go, trying to bring them on board, including appealing to the President of the Republic of Kenya to try and unite us. That shows the willingness to work with them.
Gavana Mwangaza ore rathingiririo gwetetera kumana na mateta maya thutha wa kungathia gwika uguo hau kabere na gutuma murugamiriri wa rutuira kaunti Harrison Gatovu ni arageire na ihinda iritu gucokia ciuria cia maseneta aria marenda kumenya gitumi giake kuremwo kurutithania wira na atongoria angi aria mathuritwo thiini wa kaunti ya Meru.
Would you tell us what is fundamentally wrong and how are we going to address it? Because all these leaders cannot be here for nothing.
Mwangaza hagurirwo tariki 14 mweri uyu thutha wa MCs othe 64 na aria mari mbunge-ini ya kaunti kunyita mbaru mutaratara wa kumuhagura kumana na thitango 62 iria imugumiire thiini wa utungata wake wa mieri 3 ta gavana wa kaunti ya Meru. Thutha wa thikũ 2 cia guthikiriria miana yothe iria kuruhanitio hari cira wa kuhagurwo kwa gavana wa kaunti ya Meru Kawira Mwangaza, kamiti ya Senate iria ikoretwo igithikiriria cira ni thiete keheri gwa thikũ 2 niguo kuhariria riboti yayo iria igatemanio hindi ya giikaro kia mwanya gatano ga kiumia giki niguo kuhitukia kuhagurwo kana guteaniria kuhagurwo kwa gavana uyu wa kaunti ya Meru. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.